as you guys see. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be replacing the turbocharger, as I discussed with you guys on the previous video of my Audi A4. I already started the work. What do I have right here is I took some of the tubes out. I disconnected the coolant lines from the turbocharger, from the blow off, and the oil return line. I'm about to take this one out, but the more exciting thing is that I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the turbo that I have, and we're going to put it in. Is this one right here. As you guys see, I already attached it to the exhaust manifold that I have right here. It's the high flow bolt on already, so I just have to bolt the exhaust manifold to the cylinder head, and there you have it. This is the turbocharger, and of course some oil lines for the coolant lines that we have right here. It comes with the kit. As for now, I just have to remove the turbo that it's right here, and when it's out I'll show it to you guys, and I will show you the other one when I'm going to install it. Now we have the turbocharger out, the Q4. As you guys see, everything looks good. That's my blow off valve, and here is the turbo. That's how small is it, Q4. And that's the GTRS that we're gonna install. There is a big difference on the exhaust manifold, as you guys see. There's the high flow and that's the OEM. We're gonna see how this one is gonna perform and what's the horsepower that we're gonna make on this setup. So yeah, getting ready this one to go in and see if I think this hose, we have to use it right there, and some of the plugs right here to change it on the other turbocharger. As you guys see, I put the turbo back in place. I didn't tie any bolts. I'm just see how it fits, if all the fitting lines are properly in their place, and if it doesn't touch anything. And then I'm about to put all the nuts and secure it, and we have to finish it.
That's a car, and this is Drive Shop, where you have a 99% chance of getting approved. It's easy.
So as you guys know from the the other video, that today I installed the turbo. Actually, that was the other day, and I already drove the car for like 200 miles with the turbo installed. And I think I showed you guys how the turbo looks like installed. That's it right here. I have to change this air filter so I can put it down there. I bought a pipe, so we're gonna put it right there, flex, but I'm not sure how it's gonna hold right here because it's a lot of heat. So the car with the big turbocharger drives good. As the turbo is bigger, it pulls a little bit at higher RPM, and definitely I need the tune. I already talked to the tuner. They do have for this turbo, they have the tune, which I'm gonna be taking probably in the next week or so. Now the car drives fine, no check engine light, but yeah, the turbo takes a little bit more time to spool, so to get the boost up. And also the tuner told me that I have to install a high pressure fuel pump for better performance. This one still works, but to get probably a better response and higher horsepower, I need a high pressure fuel pump, which I already ordered it, and I will show you guys in the next video how I'm gonna be installing the fuel pump. I never done it in my car because I never had a problem with it, but we're gonna do it all together, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And also I got spark plugs for my car, newer spark plugs, and I'm gonna show you guys which ones. Got it in the trunk right here, as you guys see. Let's take it out. Those are the spark plugs that I ordered. Those are laser spark plugs, and I'm gonna be installing it, and we'll see how this is gonna respond after that.